Business owners looking for a retirement strategy, did you know you don't have to offer a 401k or an IRA? 401ks are very expensive for businesses to offer. What if I told you that there was a tool used by banks and Fortune 500 CEOs that would allow you to build wealth tax-free for retirement, avoiding all of the red tape and the fees and the future taxes associated with offering a 401k? Now here's the truth. The account that I'm about to tell you about cannot replace a 401k for your employees, but it can for you as the business owner, and it has the ability to give you some powerful tax deductions in the process. Introducing an IUL, or what we also call an Index Universal Life. In this video, I'm going to explain to you why an IUL does not follow ERISA rules and why that's actually a good thing, how you can use an IUL as a personal retirement vehicle, and how to structure an IUL through your business for potential tax advantages. So if you're a business owner or a solo entrepreneur, this is the kind of strategy that the wealthy have been using for decades. Now, over my past almost 10-year career, I've worked with hundreds of entrepreneurs, such as coaches and doctors and attorneys and consultants, and I've taught them how to escape the tax trap that comes their way when they work with traditional retirement plans. Once they see how an IUL can benefit a business owner like them, especially owners that have little to no employees, it's a total game changer. First, let's clarify what an IUL cannot do. If you have W-2 employees and you're in a state that requires you to offer some kind of a traditional retirement plan, that means you need to follow ERISA guidelines, which means equal contribution rules, non-discrimination testing, administrative oversight, and fiduciary responsibility. And that's just a lot of fancy words to say there's a lot of rules that your plan has to follow. An IUL is a private, individually owned life insurance contract. It's not governed by ERISA guidelines. Therefore, you cannot use it in place of a group retirement plan for employees. But here's where the opportunity comes in. Business owners can use an IUL as a personal retirement strategy. And unlike a 401k, IULs offer no contribution limits, no mandatory withdrawals, no early withdrawal penalty, and no taxation on future gains if properly structured and accessed. Here's how it works. You fund the IUL with after-tax dollars, and all the cash inside will grow tax-deferred, tracking the performance of a stock market index of your choosing, like the S&P 500, with zero downside risk. Then later in the future, you can access the cash inside 100% tax-free through policy loans. This allows you to provide for yourself a tax-free income stream in retirement, or sooner if you want to pull money out to invest in maybe yourself, your business, or real estate. Pro tip: if you're a business owner, structure this through your business. If your business is set up as a corporation, such as an S-Corp, you can see if your business can pay the premium to you as the owner as a bonus, or what we call an executive bonus plan. This makes that premium tax deductible to the business. You, as the business owner, will pay the taxes on that money. Then that money will grow tax deferred, and you have access to it tax-free in the future through policy loans. And your money isn't tied up on Wall Street. A lot of business owners do this, and they structure it as Section 162, or what we also call an executive bonus plan, to make it a legitimate business expense. So to recap, an IUL cannot replace a 401k for your employees, but it can for you as the business owner. You contribute with after-tax dollars, and it does grow accessible to you in the future tax-free. It's got flexible access, and it doesn't follow ERISA guidelines. And if you fund it through your business, it can become an executive bonus plan, which gives your business the tax deductions for the premiums. So if you are a business owner making a healthy income and you're looking for some kind of a retirement strategy, I recommend taking a look at an IUL if you don't want to pay for an expensive 401k. Please make sure you sit down and connect with a licensed tax professional and financial professional before you do anything to make sure this is the right move for you. If you want to learn more about how IULs work, I have linked 2 videos here that will walk you through it. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss another video teaching you cool things you can do with your money, and I'll catch you back here next week on YouTube.